Passive Income System 2.0 A Path to Financial Independence. Introduction. Passive Income System 2.0 is a comprehensive program designed to empower individuals with the knowledge, strategies, and tools needed to create sustainable and diversified streams of passive income. It's a modern response to the changing landscape of work and finance, offering an alternative to the traditional 9-to-5 employment model. Key components. Multiple income streams. Passive Income System 2.0 guides participants in creating multiple sources of income that require minimal day-to-day involvement. These income streams can come from various sources, such as investments, online businesses, real estate, or intellectual property. Proven strategies. The program is built on tried and tested strategies that have helped countless individuals achieve financial freedom. These strategies cover a wide range of options, including dividend investing, rental properties, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and more. Digital entrepreneurship. Passive Income System 2.0 places a strong emphasis on the digital economy. It teaches how to create and sell digital products, such as e-books, online courses, or software, allowing you to generate income with relatively low ongoing effort. Real success stories. The program provides real-life success stories and case studies, showcasing how others have successfully implemented these strategies to achieve financial independence. These stories serve as inspiration and practical examples for participants. Benefits of Passive Income System 2.0. Financial freedom. By diversifying income streams and reducing reliance on a traditional job, participants can gain financial freedom. This means having more control over their finances and more time to pursue their passions. Flexibility. Passive income allows for flexibility in how and where you work. Whether you want to travel, spend more time with family, or explore new hobbies, you're not tied to a desk or office. Reduced risk. Creating multiple income streams can reduce financial risk. If one source of income experiences a downturn, the others can provide stability and support. Wealth accumulation. Passive income can accelerate wealth accumulation over time. By reinvesting earnings, individuals can achieve significant financial growth. Who can benefit? Aspiring entrepreneurs. Those looking to start their own businesses or ventures can benefit from learning how to generate passive income to support their entrepreneurial pursuits. Investors. Passive Income System 2.0 offers valuable insights for investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and maximize returns. Freelancers. Freelancers can use the program to learn how to create digital products or invest in income-generating assets to complement their freelance income. Anyone seeking financial independence. If you aspire to have more control over your financial future and are willing to put in the effort to build passive income streams, this program can be a game changer. Conclusion. Passive Income System 2.0 is more than just a program. It's a roadmap to financial independence. By providing knowledge, strategies, and real-world examples, it empowers individuals to take control of their financial destinies and craft a life that aligns with their goals and aspirations.